What's up, guys? Here's one of the original driver's side vent face pieces that like to crack, and here's my first attempt at printing one, and this was just PLA or PETG, I can't remember, but had a little trouble with the tabs forming correctly, and it didn't matter. I did get a passenger side to print beautifully, all the tabs and everything in PLA, I believe. But those are lower grade materials, not really great for being in the interior of the car on a hot summer day. But it did allow us to do some test fitting and make sure the geometry was correct. This one is printed in polycarbonate, and it doesn't have any carbon fiber reinforcement, which I can do. I can get polycarbonate with CF in it. And this one almost printed except for that one tab. You can see all the others are good. I just have to change a few little settings, get the support structure under that tab better. But that is a suitable material for being inside the car for sure. A very high melting point, shouldn't be any problem, and it fits for the most part. I do want to change a little bit of the geometry, really minor, to make it fit just a little bit better. And but we're almost there. Like, this is functional. You could definitely, even though a tab isn't fully formed, this is part of the fitment. I want to make this tab fit that just a little bit better. But if you were to glue that piece in place to where it couldn't come back off, that would certainly work. And you can see I got the driver's side also, and this one fits pretty well. Very little changes I have to make on this one to make it just perfect, but you can see we have a nice bit of texture showing. Looks real nice. Everything's still functional. So I'm that close, and the big kahuna is next, and we are gonna make a flat top. So if your dash is perfect, you can get the flat version here, or we can get a raised up center at the top. You can see the difference, flat and bowed up, because most people's dash bows up in the middle. So almost there. These should be available for NALM